Once you've selected the job that you want to review job activity on, go to the right hand side of the screen and select this ATS activity log icon. You'll be presented with a pop-up. The job activity log allows you to view the actions that have been carried out on each candidate once they've applied to a job. At the top of the pop-up, we've got some filters that you can use. You don't have to, but if you wanted to review activity across a specific date range, you can select the start date and the end date that you require to change the view that is presented to you. If you want to look at a specific colleague to see what actions they have been carrying out, you can select this Filter by Recruiter drop-down menu and select your relevant colleague. And if you want to look at activity that's been carried out on a specific candidate, you can enter in the candidate's name just here. Below the filters you can see some headings. So you've got date. This shows you the date and the time the action was carried out. Hiring user, so the user of the ATS who carried out that particular action. The candidate name, so the name of the candidate that the action was carried out on, and the actions that were carried out. So in this case, on the 1st of January at 12:36, Vicky confirmed an interview to candidate Pamela, and if you wanted to view the email, the confirmation of interview email, you can select this button just here, and you can see a copy of the email that was generated. Down the actions list you can see all of the different actions that have been carried out by your colleagues, such as adding a candidate to shortlist. You can see when a candidate applied to the job, if a candidate has been withdrawn, and then across the bottom you can skip to the next page or the last page depending on how much information is presented to you.